My name is Brian Angel. My primary business is I run In Movement, which sells standing desks and treadmill desks. This is all a little bit new to me. I've known Ben for a long time, and frankly, he and I have worked together as partners on a lot of this stuff before it was ever a course. To me, what this is, it's like a really cool experience getting to see all that stuff that we were talking about, formulating, now being articulated in such a really organized way and being passed on to a bunch of new people, young people, really ambitious people with great ideas, and helping them grow their business. What I know about the course is that John and Ben do things right. They do things from the heart, they do things with integrity first, and I think they also do a really good job of starting in the right place, right? Laying the proper foundation. I've seen other courses where they tend to get people all fired up about the business model that they're selling and that they're promoting and ultimately teaching, but they don't lay the proper foundation, and people often get a few weeks into the course and they're quickly going down the wrong direction. And in many of those cases, I've been involved as a coach trying to help them fix that. So it's nice knowing that Ben and John have really started the right way. Dropship Breakthru is, to me, it's an authentic way of getting into the e-commerce world. I don't think John or Ben would claim that dropshipping is the best way or the only way to make money in e-commerce or online, but what it is as a model is a great way to start and get in. And what Dropship Breakthru specifically represents is the right foundation, the right values, how to be authentic, how to be yourself and pour your heart into your business, and that is the way to get to success ultimately.